What's up, T&S family? We're back with another vlog. Okay, fam, today is the day that this girl changes her life.
What does it say? I have decided.
So we are here at Life Church. If you haven't watched our previous vlog where we came for Ball's graduation, please click on the link up here and you will see that T&S has actually been here before, but today we are coming to witness Ball be baptized. Yeah, let's go. Okay fam, so we just came. Lucky this church actually have kids world. So we just dropped Lanston off in the little room. You can see him and he's in the red. And then we dropped the older girls into that little room over there. Okay, let's go.
Like a wedding day, we're not going to sit all quietly, we're going to cheer, we're going to celebrate with these people as we welcome Jesse, who's going to come on Jesse. Jacinta!
Let's go! My sister!
Oh my gosh, there's my family.
Hey!
You know my family, we're very sensitive, so it's hard to put on my game face right now. But all glory to God that I'm here. I wouldn't be here today without first thank you to the Alpha course. You guys really changed my life. Jesus was never new to me. I always thought, yeah, like, I know Jesus, like it's okay, like I went into this course, but then like hearing all these testimonies and finding new things about Jesus made me more hungry for his word. And I also want to shout out to my girl, Isabella. She's so good, she brought me to my first service on Easter, and thank Jesus for that service because it really changed my life as well. I want to thank my family for being so strong and proud. And yeah, all glory to God.
Cuz, how was the message?
I need more saving, you know. That's good, eh? Relationships, you know. Don't draw your happiness from
Nada. Okay, so right now the service has finished and we're gonna head off to we're gonna go.
Is this the son of the guy? Where's my baby? Where's my baby?
Oh, we need the suit. Excuse me. Sorry, thank you.
The plan is to finish the baptism. It was all goody. God delivered the goodies. But it's time for us to go to Roxy and have a bit of a celebration and
Physical food.
And the physical food round is coming now. The spiritual has already been filled. The cup is overflowing. But Jeffrey,
Hey guys, thanks for coming. We're going out to the Alpha. Hey to my friends over there. Yeah, my brother.
Hey, everyone. Jeff.
my wallet, so hopefully God will bless me once again.
Say something.
Okay.
Oh, should we do it, Roxy? So I can get this stuff out of my hands?
Okay.
Alright.
So family, we have come to the end of this vlog. I hope you have enjoyed it. You know, I totally forgot to record an outro because there was just too much laughing, too much joking, and too much mocking each other. But we do hope that you enjoyed this mini vlog. Make sure you go down to the comment section, just wish Jacinta a happy baptism. We love you, T&S family. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Wow, are you vlogging? It's on. You turned it on. Watch out, don't drop it. Face it to yourself. Look, he's hot. Turn it like this, look. And then put this up. Say hi. Okay, hold it.
Hello.
Okay, tell them about your day. What did you do? And why you got, what's on your mouth? Say, I got chocolate on my mouth. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Say today I'm gonna vlog. Turn on the light. Good boy. Turn it on. Here. Say hi guys.
Bye.
Say my name's Lanston. My name's Lanston. Okay. Go ta uncle and auntie. Ta.